Can the 10-quart ToAuto candle wax melter really deliver for my candle business? The surprising answer coming up. Let's go. Hi, my name is Jay Catalano. ToAuto Tools sent me this 10-quart or 10-liter, if you're a metric system kind of guy or gal, wax melter to test out. So let's unbox it, show you what's inside, learn about the features, add candle wax to make some candles, and when we're done, I'll give you my honest opinion detailing the good, the bad, and the wicked. Get it? Wicked? I'll show my way out. The unboxing. All right, the wax melter is finally unboxed. Inside the box, you'll find a sleek, black, and modern looking 10-quart digital wax melter. Additionally, there is a 12-inch stainless steel mixing spoon and a dripless 1.3-liter pouring pot with a heat-resistant handle accompanied by the manual. The features. All right, check out this wax dispenser. It's pretty cool. See that hole right in the middle at the bottom? That's what makes it special. You can get out almost all of the melted wax, about 98%, without having to tilt the machine. So no awkward, uncomfortable, and dangerous tipping needed. And get this, it's got this fancy patented spout mechanism inside that keeps the wax flowing smoothly, so you don't have to worry about any clogs messing up your candle making process. Another feature is the digital display on this melter, which lets you set the temperature anywhere from 140 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 to 100 degrees Celsius. Whether you prefer Fahrenheit or Celsius, switching between the two is simple. Simply click the plus and minus buttons to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, making it super easy for everyone, no matter which temperature scale you're used to. And in case you didn't know, due to its wide range of temperatures, you can melt all kinds of waxes with this melter, like soy wax, beeswax, paraffin, and coconut wax. Interestingly, there's a mechanism inside that maintains the temperature within a small 18-degree Fahrenheit range, or 10 degrees if you use Celsius, ensuring it stays just about right without overheating. And here's another feature. This wax melter melts wax super fast and efficiently. Due to its unique design, it can melt 11 pounds of soy wax, which is very viscous, in about 30 minutes when set at 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. This means you can make a batch of candles faster than most wax melters on the market. In fact, because it can hold 10 quarts of wax, you'll be able to make 80 4-ounce candles super fast, reducing production time, simplifying the candle making process. Making candles. Now that we know a little bit about the ToAuto wax melter, let's test it out by making a batch of candles. I have some concrete vessels all wicked, set up, and ready to go. However, if you want to learn a step-by-step process on how to make concrete vessels or how to make candles, I'll leave some links in the description. Those links will help you out greatly. And here are my completed candles, compliments of the ToAuto wax melter. Now that you got to see it in action, let me tell you how I feel about it. My honest opinion. First off, I absolutely love the sleek, modern black design of the wax melter. It fits perfectly with my space and adds a touch of sophistication to my candle business. Secondly, the wax melter is impressively lightweight, yet it feels sturdy and high quality, weighing just a little over 10 pounds. It's easy to handle despite its size. Another feature I really appreciate is the twist hold closure. Once the lid is closed and secured, it stays shut, which is incredibly reassuring in case it ever falls, though I hope that never happens. The digital display is a game changer for me. My old analog dial was difficult to read and often inaccurate, so the clear, precise readings on this new melter are a huge improvement. The temperature control mechanism is another highlight. During my tests, the wax temperature stayed within 15 degrees of my set point, which is impressive. My old Presto pot would often shoot past 300 degrees when set to 195, which was frustrating and sometimes hazardous. One more thing I found remarkable is the melter's ability to remove almost all the wax without needing to tilt it. For example, I added 1,420 grams of wax and managed to extract 1,381, leaving just 39 grams behind. That's about 97.18% removal, which is very close to the manufacturer's claim of 98%. Of course, with any product, there are a few minor things I'd like to see improved. Firstly, the temperature settings increase in intervals of 5 degrees. I'd prefer increments of 1 degree for more precise control, but this is just a personal preference. Secondly, even though you can toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius quite easily, I would have loved a little reminder note on the unit that gave instructions on how to do so. Not a big deal at all, but with all the empty space on the unit, this would have added another level of convenience and ease of use. Overall, these are just minor inconveniences and don't detract from the quality and functionality of the wax melter. So all in all, I feel the ToAuto wax melter is an excellent choice. Its features, ease of use, aesthetic appeal, and even though we didn't talk about it, the reasonable price make it a great option for those in the market for a wax melter. But let's say you don't have the money to spend on a wax melter of this caliber. No worries. There are similar options available valued at a very reasonable price that will help you accomplish your wax melting goals. Take a look at all the different sizes for various budgets. Additionally, besides the variety in sizes, these wax melters come in multiple colors, allowing you to add a touch of style to your workspace. So if you're in the market for a budget-friendly wax melter that not only works great, but looks great too, take a look at the ToAuto wax melters. Links are in the description. And take a look at these videos that are popping up now. They're gonna help you on your concrete, hydrostone, and candle making journey. Until next time, thanks for watching. Ciao.